Hello, I have here with me some mouthwash, which is a hygiene product, and it is, I hope, common in your home, or definitely heard of it. I hope you know about this, but this is just it's a brand, but of course it has its own store. So if it was in any other store, it'd definitely be not a brand, at Smith's. I know the store Smith's, it's like it has its own brand, but it's also very common to be in other brands and stuff like that. I hope that makes sense to you. So it's pretty easy to find the Kroger brand, and this is for all ages. You can use it. This is in blue mint. This one is my favorite, aside from the popular ones that you may know of, like Listen Something, the popular ones that you just know, or like maybe Crest, or they have their own, like those big teeth hygiene brands. But this one's my favorite just because I feel like sometimes when you get really like a little bit more pricey ones, I'll go into this about the price. When you get a little bit pricey, sometimes I feel like they just push it too much to be that burning taste, just so it can be quote unquote more like mouthwashy. I don't really get it. Like, this is just blue mint. It's so perfect. Of course it burns, kills the germs in your mouth and all the bacteria you just want to get out of your mouth. But aside from that, it doesn't have that like super bad burning taste, and it does of course burn. You just still want that, but it's not that bad. I think the blue mint lasts for a while. Personally, I've had trouble with it when I buy other mouthwashes, that the mint will either taste like so pasty to where it's like I'm having like a mint candy, if that makes sense, or it'll be, aside from it being too pasty, it'll just be too plain, like it'll just feel like water with a hint of mint, if that makes sense. And I feel like this one's perfect because you get that feeling of mouthwash. It's not a super big brand, and you can just still get the blue mint taste, and it lasts for a while. And of course, mouthwash is just to kill bacteria, bad breath, and gum diseases. I personally feel like this one, like I said, because the mint lasts so much, it helps a lot with bad breath. When you're, of course, brush your teeth and mouthwash, but also if you're in a hurry and you just didn't brush your teeth and just quickly want to use the mouthwash for a quick rinse, definitely the mint, like I said, lasts so long, and it's not just like a pasty, like fake mint or anything like that, in my opinion. This is in blue mint, so it has a blue color. The packaging is pretty good. It's plastic. And it also comes with, of course, the cap that you can use as it is in there. There's like a line that tells you how much you should use or whatever, but I just use other cups. So it does come with a cup that you can definitely use, and I just feel like this lasts so long. The price is so affordable, and like for what you pay for it, it's not only worth what it is, but also how long it lasts you, and also depending how me and my fiance use this, and it lasts us pretty good. I just think this is such a good product for hygiene, and the brand being, and it's affordable. Yeah, and on the back it will show you all the details, of course under 12. Make sure you're watching them and whatnot. It has all the details. And like I said, I know it's not I don't know if it's a big common thing for me. I just have trouble finding blue mint. I definitely recommend this one just because it's affordable. It's comes with a lot for what you buy with, which I think is my favorite part. And just the mint, and it does what it's supposed to do plus more, which is like the mint lasting. I feel like just the mint taste should, mouthwash is not only like something you should be doing, but it's also something you can use for when you're in a rush and stuff like that. And I just feel like it gives you that long lasting mint taste, and it's a perfect mint taste. And this one's blue mint. They do have I think it's a little harsher one, the actual like just spearmint or green mint, and they also have the yellow one. I never really knew what the yellow one flavored was, but yeah. And if you're traveling, this is pretty like thin if you see it, so definitely you can just like put it with your hygiene things or pack it under a towel or something that you don't really mind it being next to you. But I think it's super easy if you needed to travel with it or anything like that. And I mean, if you do have limited space, I definitely recommend like pouring it into a smaller clean container, or just getting some of those little ones to go, because it's not like that size if you have limited space. But if you're okay with space and it is really thin, that's another thing. Usually the bottles are all bulky and stuff like that, and this one's like perfect and thin. This one is 16.9 fluid ounces, you can see right there. And it also explains to you like what to use it for right here. Approved, accepted, or approved, whatever. The flavor. The packaging is pretty nice and it's pretty detailed. I hope this helped get to know a product. Thanks for watching.